All right, here's our level 4 question. So on this level 4 question, you're going to have to do a rap response and then also show your work. And so some of the language here is kind of implying like you can choose to attempt level 4 or not. It's really not my mindset. You all are in an advanced class. You've elected to take the ingenuity to get yourself in this class. I want you to try all the advanced problems. And I also want you to learn how to take tests in a timely manner. I am giving you 100 minutes. That's more than enough for what you need on the test. But I don't want people at the end, I need about 30 more minutes on this level 4. Not looking for that. You know it, and you can show your work, and we got to learn how to pace ourselves through these assessments. All right, so here's the question. It is a challenge. I want you to have a rep response, so restate the question, answer the question, provide proof. So if all you do is just show your work, no way you're going to get a level 4. But if you show all your work and then you give an explanation and you give us that thought process, then you have a chance for a 4. I won't do the rap response in here because it's a level 4. At some point, you got to just show it on your own without us guiding you through it. Okay, so let's talk through this problem. A hiker was walking down a mountain. In 17 minutes, she descended 1,024 feet from the top of the mountain. In the next 7 minutes, she descended another 500 feet. What is the average rate of change in altitude of the hiker from her starting point to her end point, written as a unit rate? So a unit rate is like how fast do they go down every minute? How fast do they move every hour? How fast do they move every second? So you pick a unit and you move forward and you calculate that. In this case, it's probably going to be easiest if we just calculate per minute since we have the minute measurements. So in order to do our rate, we're going to find a distance per minute. So example, maybe you're going down 10 every minute. That's what we're hoping to get is some kind of quantity per minute. So we've got to calculate this out. What our distance is they went 1,024 feet in 17 minutes, but then they went down 500 feet in the next 7 minutes. So this is a negative quantity. We're descending. We're going down. So this is going to equal 1,524. And 17 plus 7 is every 24. So they went down 1,524 feet every or over 24 minutes. So we've got to calculate this out. 1,524 divided by 24. Now, is this answer going to be positive or negative? Negative divided by positive is a negative. So I know my answer at some point will be negative. How many 24s go into 1? 0. How many 24s go into 15? 0. How many 24s go into 152? 6. Now, I did that quickly in my head in the sense of thinking of this as a quarter and thinking of this as like 152 cents. So if I have 25 cents, I know 6 quarters is 150, but I'm 1 cent less than a quarter. So I've got to subtract 6 cents from that, 150, and be at 144. So when I subtract that, 152 subtract 144, I'm at 6. Okay? Or sorry. I'm at 8. So I'll bring down this 4. How many 24s go into 84? 3. I'm going to put a decimal in there just to clean this up. But 24 times 3 is 72. Again, I'm thinking of quarters here. So how many quarters go into 84? I can get 75 cents, but then I'm 1 cent less, so I'm subtracting those 3 cents away. So this, again, is a difference of 12. And then I'll bring down that 0. So 24 goes into 120 5 times. So it's perfectly, they're going down negative 63.5 feet every 1 minute.